Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2005 Jaguar X-Type. The taillight bulb assembly is easy to access in the rear of the vehicle. You only have to peel back one lining for access to the assembly, which itself is easy to pull out. Checking the oil level is easy to do, as the oil dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. The components of the spare tire are easily accessible in the rear of the vehicle. This keeps the tire and jack kit ready to go in case of emergency. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. To access the headlight bulb on one side, you will have to remove the battery first. This is tougher access than you'll find on other models. The cabin air filter is tough to access, as you will have to follow many steps to complete. This repair will also require a few tools you may not have readily available for repair. Access for the engine air filter is also tough on this vehicle. You'll have to loosen many screws in order to access, and these screws can grow rusted and be tough to turn over time. Overall, the 2005 Jaguar X-Type is a moderately difficult car to maintain, but a good choice for someone experienced in car maintenance.